Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous class, we discussed the line equation in a space, that is a line equation passing through the given point and parallel to the given vector. That is a 5 marks important theorem, and based upon that theorem, we discussed some problems also, example problem and some exercise problems also we discussed. So based upon same theorem, some more 2 problems, 3 problems is there. We'll complete today the 3 problems and we'll start the another line equation. I told line equation in a space 2 types is there. One is a line equation passing to the point and parallel to the vector. Another one is a line equation passing through given 2 points. So that is a different one. First we'll complete the based upon first theorem problems. So now today we'll start our class by the exercise problem number 6. Exercise 11.2, problem number 6. Find the Cartesian equation. Find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through the point -2, 4, -5 and parallel to the given line. Required line is parallel to this line. So here solution, given line first, x minus of -3 by 3, y minus 4 by 5, z minus of -8 by 6. I am writing in Cartesian form. X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 and point -2, 4 and -5 is the point. A line equation passing through this point and parallel to this line. Here direction ratios of line are 3, 5, 6. You observe passing through the point they given parallel to the vector or direction of the vector is we can find the Cartesian equation. Direction ratios we have to find x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. x1, y1, z1 they given. So now we have to find the direction ratios of the required line. So here direction ratios of given line are 3, 5, 6. So here I am making this as an equation 1. The required line parallel to equation 1. Then the direction ratios of required line are 3k, 5k, 6k. Proportional. 2 lines parallel means direction ratios are proportional. So that's why 3k, 5k, 6k are taken. We don't know the k value, just k is a one number. Therefore, we know the Cartesian. We know that the Cartesian form of line passes through x1, y1, z1 and having direction ratios a, b, c. Direction ratios a, b, c is x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. Here what is the x1, y1, z1? This point is passing through this point. So x1, y1, z1 and ratio a, b, c. Just substitute in this one. Therefore, x minus half minus 2 by 3k, y minus 4 by 5k, z minus half minus 5 divided by 6k. So just here substitution. Now simplification you can make. By 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 5 by 6 is equal to k plus 5. And write it as a k. Therefore, required line equation by 3 y minus 4 by 5 z plus 5 by 6 is the Cartesian form of a line equation which is passing through minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the vector. Parallel to this line. Parallel line means direction ratios will be same or proportional. Next, problem number 17 exercise. The Cartesian equation of a line is x minus 5 by 3, y plus 4 by 7, z minus 6 by 2. Write its vector form. Cartesian form of a line equation is given. So now you have to find the vector form of a line. Convert into vector form. So solution is given. Cartesian line equation is x minus 5 by 3 is equal to, I am writing as a minus of minus standard form, is equal to z minus 6 by 2. X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Therefore, compare with, otherwise you can write in two ways. Compare with x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c, then x1 y1. You can write like that also. Otherwise, direct is that the line passes through point x1 5, y1 minus 4, z1 6. Therefore, the line passing through the point, the position vector of point is a bar is equal to 5 I cap minus 5 4 j cap plus 6 k cap. Point, if you know, you can write the position vector of that point. You can write that. Next one, the direction ratios of line are 3, 7, 2. A, B, C are the direction ratios. The direction ratios of the point, line are 3, 7, 2. Therefore, the line in the direction of vector b bar 3 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 2 k cap. We discussed the fifth problem also. If you know the direction vector, that is only f bar. If you know the direction ratios, you can convert into the direction vector. So in the direction of vector b bar, you know the a bar and b bar. Therefore, the vector form of line is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. Therefore, r bar equal to a bar 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap plus lambda into 3 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 2a cap is the required line in vector form. If you know the Cartesian form, we can convert into vector form. So next one, similar example problem. This is example 8. Same question. The Cartesian equation of a line is x plus 3 by 2, y minus 5 by 4, z plus 6 by 2. Write its vector form. So similar problem is the solution. Given x minus of minus 3 by 2, y minus 5 by 4, z minus of minus 6 by 2. Just a standard form I'm writing. Therefore, the line passing through which point? Minus 3 comma minus 5 comma minus 6. So position vector of the point is a bar. A bar is what? Minus 3 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 6 k cap. Similar way we have to write this one. And the direction ratios of a line drs are 2, 4 and 2. So direction ratios, if you know, you can find the line in the direction of the vector b bar. B bar equal to 2 I cap 4 j cap plus 2 k cap. Therefore, the required line equation in vector form is r bar equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. R bar equal to minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap 5 j cap minus 6 k cap plus lambda into 2 I cap plus 4 k cap plus 2 k cap is the required vector form of a line. So similar problem, just can understand easily. Next, we continue with the second type of equation, line equation. Already equation of line in a space, we discussed one type, which is that one, that is equation of line passing through given point and parallel to the given vector. So now second type is equation of a line passing through two given points. If they given 2 points, how to find the line equation in a space? This is also very important for 5 marks question. Important for 5 marks. So here I will draw the diagram first. Then we can describe the diagram totally. Then simplification. Very easy, but and very important also. So concept, if you are understanding clear, you can write in your own words also this one. So here, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So the R is in O. I am taking 2 points in a space. This point is A, another point is B. Point A means x1 comma y1 comma z1. Point B is x2 comma y2 comma z2. 2 points in a space. Actually, space means what? These 2 points in a space. For example, here one point and another point is here. Not on the plane. Actually, this x-axis will be like perpendicular. So outside of the board you will get it. So points also in a space. So we can't imagine this one. So that's why we are plotting on the board only. So now I join the OA. This is the vector A bar. This is the vector B bar. A line equation passing through given 2 points we have to find. So next I am writing this total representation in words. Let A gamma y1 gamma z1. Otherwise, let A bar is the position vector of point A. Position vector of point A, that is OA bar equal to A bar, and B bar is the position vector of point B, x2 comma y2 comma z2, that is OB bar is equal to B bar. So next step, I am taking one more point P of x comma y comma z. P is the any arbitrary point, that P lies on a line, any point you can take it. Now I am drawing P. This is R bar. Let R bar be the position vector of arbitrary point P, x comma y comma z, that is OP bar is equal to R bar. So this total representation completed. Next step, we can see here P is lies on a line. P is lies on a line. Then P is lies on the line. If I only is AB bar is collinear with AB bar. These two collinear only, P lies on P lies on a line. Collinear, you observe 3 points in the same line means the 3 points are collinear. So AP bar is collinear with AB bar also. Why? Because AP bar and total will be AB bar. Collinear means it's parallel to one same line, So now therefore collinear condition AP bar is equal to lambda into AB bar. The bar is equal to lambda into AB bar. So we can write this one OP bar minus OA bar, OB bar minus OA bar. By the triangle of vectorization, two triangles, OAP we can take it, OAP, total also we can take it. Otherwise, initial terminal point position vector minus initial point position vector. So we can write this one as a R bar is equal to A bar. R bar minus A bar is equal to lambda into B bar minus A bar. Lambda into B bar minus A bar. So from this one, OA bar, OB bar, OB bar. Just a substitution did. This is by triangle of vector addition. We can make more simplification of this one also. AP bar is equal to AP bar plus OA bar plus AP bar is equal to OP bar. That type also we can simplify. Previous first theorem we discussed clearly with triangle of vector addition. So here also we can write. Otherwise, terminal point position vector minus initial point position vector. We can write that. This implies R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. This is the vector form. This is the vector form of a line which is passing through 2 points. R bar equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. So now Cartesian form means R bar, A bar, B bar values we have to write here. We know that we have R bar is equal to x I cap plus j cap plus z k cap. R bar is nothing but it is the position vector of point P. Point, if you know, we can write the position vector. Next, A bar is x1 I cap, y1 j cap, z1 k cap. And B bar equal to x2 I cap, y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. Substitute these three in equation 1. I am taking this as a equation 1. Substitute in 1. 1 implies R bar x I cap, y j cap plus z k cap is equal to A bar. What is the A bar here? x1 I cap plus y1 j cap, z1 k cap plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. So B bar minus A bar means what? What is the B bar here? B bar is x2 minus x2. A bar is x1. So I am writing here x2 minus x1 I cap, y2 minus y1 j cap, z2 minus z1 k cap. We know already how to do the subtraction of component form of a two vectors. Just first corresponding coefficients, subtraction, and I can write. So now I am making more simplification. I will take I cap common in this total. If we are taking I cap common, x1 plus this was lambda into x2 minus x1 I cap plus y1 plus lambda into y2 minus y1 j cap plus z1 plus lambda into z2 minus z1 k cap. Just common taking here. I cap common, j cap common, k cap common. Comparing on both sides. Comparing on both sides. X is equal to I cap coefficient x1 plus lambda x2 minus x11. Y is equal to y1 plus lambda into y2 minus y1. Z is equal to z1 plus lambda into z2 minus z1, that into z2 minus z1. So this implies x minus x1 is equal to lambda into x2 minus x1, y minus y1 is equal to lambda into y2 minus y1, z minus z1 is equal to lambda into z2 minus z1. So now you send the left side, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to lambda, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to lambda, z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1 is equal to lambda. So by these three what we can conclude, therefore x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. The Cartesian form. Cartesian form of a line which is passing through given 2 points. So this is the vector form and this one is a Cartesian form. This is also very important for 5 marks question, and based upon this one problems will discuss. Next, example 7 based upon the theorem number 2, that is line equation passing through given 2 points. Here find the vector equation. Only vector equation, no need to find the Cartesian equation. Only is asking vector equation of the line passing through the points, 2 points they given. So now position vector of the points we have to find first. If you know the position vectors, direct substitute in the formula. Solution: let A bar and B bar be the position vectors. Position vectors of point A. First point I am taking as a and B 3, 4, 6 respectively. Therefore, A bar is equal to how much you can write? Minus I cap plus 0 j cap plus 2 k cap. B bar is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 6 j cap. For position vectors we know. Now I'll write the formula. Before that one, let R bar be the position vector of any arbitrary point or any point P. Then the line equation is formula R bar equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. Substitute in this one. R bar equal to A bar minus I cap plus 0 j cap plus 2 k cap plus lambda into B bar 3 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap minus of this one minus I cap plus 0 j cap plus 2 k cap. So now simplify this one. R bar equal to minus I cap plus 2 k cap 0 j cap I am removing here plus lambda into 3 minus into minus plus, so 4 I cap 4 minus 0 is 4 j cap plus 6 minus 2 6 minus 2 is 4 k cap. So this is the required line equation in vector form, and that line is passing through given 2 points. This is the way of finding the line equation when the given line equation is passing through 2 points. Cartesian form, if you need Cartesian form purpose, R bar equal to R bar value we have to take. R bar is a position vector, xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Then comparison we have to make and simplification. See, next problem number 18, exercise 11.2, problem number 8. Similar problem. Find the vector and Cartesian, 2 types, vector form and Cartesian form equations of the line passing through origin and point. Origin also 1 point. Origin is nothing but 0, 0, 0, and another point is 5, minus 2, 3. So how to solve this problem? Solution: given 2 points, origin 0, 0, 0, and 5, minus 2, 3. 5, minus 2, 3. So I am taking here, let A bar and B bar be the position vectors of points A 0, 0, 0, and B is 5, minus 2, 3 respectively. Therefore, A bar equal to 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. B bar is equal to 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 j cap. And another I am taking, let r bar be the position vector, r bar be the position vector of point of any point capital P. Then the line equation passes through given 2 points is r bar equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar. So just here substitute the values. R bar equal to 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap lambda into b bar 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap minus of 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. Therefore, r bar equal to 0 0 is there, no need to write 0 vector, direct lambda into 5 I cap, 5 minus 0, 5 only, minus 2 minus 0, minus 2 j cap plus 3 minus 0 is 3. So this is the vector form of required line, the vector form. Next, Cartesian form we have to find. Cartesian form. Here 2 ways I will explain. You can write in 2 ways here. We have r bar equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Substitute in 1. X I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap is equal to this lambda multiply inside 5 lambda I cap minus 2 lambda j cap plus 3 lambda k cap. Now comparing on both sides. X is equal to 5 lambda, y is equal to minus 2 lambda, z is equal to 3 lambda. X by 5 is equal to lambda, y by minus 2 is equal to lambda, z by 3 is equal to lambda. So therefore x by 5 is equal to y by minus 2 is equal to z by 3. All lambda only. So that's why all are equal. This is which is Cartesian form of a line which is passing through given 2 points. This is the one way, substitution and comparison on both sides. Otherwise, direct formula also you can take here. Direct formula, we know that Cartesian form of the line equation which is passing through given 2 points is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So here what are the points here? x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Substitute here x minus 0 by x2 minus 0, y minus 0 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Just a substitution. Next simplify. X by 5, y by minus 2, z by 3. So both are same. You can take this type or this one. Any one you can write. So this is the way of finding the line equation which is passing through 2 points in vector form, and another one is Cartesian form. Next, similar problem in exercise 11.2, problem number 9. Find the vector and Cartesian equation. Vector and Cartesian, both we have to find. The line that passes through the points, 2 points they given. So I am writing first. Same similar problem as a 8th problem. Given points 3, minus 2, minus 5, 3, minus 2, 6. So that A bar and B bar be the position vectors of point A, 3, minus 2, minus 5, and B is 3, minus 2, 6 respectively. So A bar equal to how much you get? 3I cap minus 2J cap plus minus 5K cap, and B bar is 3I cap minus 2J cap plus 6K cap. So now let R bar be the position vector of any point P on line, on point that P point is lies on a line, any point on a line. Then the line equation in vector form, which is passing through given 2 points, is R bar equal to A bar plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. Therefore, R bar equal to 3I cap minus 2J cap minus 5K cap plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. What is the B bar? Direct I am writing here. 3 minus 3, 0 I cap minus 2 minus of minus plus 0 J cap plus 6 minus of minus plus 11 K cap plus 11 K cap. Direct I am writing. If you have any doubt, B bar substitute, A bar substitute, subtraction you can make. That way also you will do no problem. R bar equal to 3I cap minus 2J cap minus 5K cap plus lambda into 11K cap. This is the vector form of a line. Next, the Cartesian form. Cartesian form, previous problem I explained 2 ways. Direct formula method you can write, otherwise R bar value substitute. R bar is the position vector point P, xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. You can substitute and comparing on both sides you can make. Otherwise, direct formula. We know that Cartesian form of a line equation which is passing through given 2 points is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So here what is the x1 y1? So the x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. Substitute in this one. X minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by z2 minus z1, z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. So now simplify this one. X minus 3 by 0, y plus 2 by 0. Why? Because plus 2 minus 2, 0. Z plus 5 by 11. So the Cartesian equation of a line which is passing through given 2 points. This is the Cartesian equation, this is the vector equation. So this is the way of finding the problem, sir. So by this problem we completed today class. In next theorems and next problems will continue in next class. Thank you.